Okay, to install VirtualBox Guest Editions in Ubuntu 24.04, go to a terminal and type sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. Okay, when that's done, I'm going to type sudo apt install build-essential dkms linux-headers $ parenthesis uname space -r and a parenthesis. And when that's done, we can restart the machine. When you come back, go to Devices, Insert Guest Edition CD. If it says it can't find it, try to click Download. And if you get a download error for an unknown reason, close that out. Open up Firefox. We're going to go to the Oracle VM VirtualBox website. I'll have a link in the description. And you're going to click on VBox Guest Editions. Then click on Show in Folder. Right-click the ISO. Select Open with Disk Image Mounter. And then open up the CD on the left side of the screen. Then right-click autorun.sh. Select Run as a Program. Enter your password. When it's done, press Return to close the window, and then restart the machine. Okay, when it comes back, you'll know it's working when you can do full screen. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.